This year's Met Gala wasn't just about outrageous outfits and fashion statements. It was literally a wristwatch war. And trust me, the real flex wasn't even on the runway. It was ticking on the wrists of the world's elite. Today, we're counting down the top 5 most jaw-dropping watches spotted at the 2025 Met Gala. Pieces that just don't tell time, they scream status. Let's get into it. Kicking off the list, Hollywood's favorite eccentric, Jeff Goldblum, pulling up wearing the Jacob & Co. Ashoka boutique timepiece. Now this isn't just a watch, it's an art exhibit on your wrist. Each Ashoka diamond is hand-cut, very rare, and incredibly hard to find. Think of it like the Birkin bag of the diamond world. Only 1% of diamonds can even qualify to be an Ashoka. This isn't just style, it's straight up scarcity. At number 4, the Southern gentleman Walton Goggin stepped in looking like a time-traveling aristocrat rocking the Vacheron Constantin Traditional Complete Calendar open face. This thing has an exposed dial, a moon phase, and a layout that feels like peeking into the mind of a watchmaker. It's elegant, it's cerebral, and it says, I know exactly what this is, and you probably don't. Stormzy's didn't just bring the storm, he brought the tsunami. Coming in at number 3 is the Patek Philippe Nautilus 5711/110P001. This watch isn't just iced out, it's a platinum beast set with 32 baguette cut diamonds. This isn't just the kind of Nautilus that says, I don't chase hype, I am the hype. Coming in hot at number 2, Tilman turned more than just heads. He flipped the game, literally, with the Jaeger Reverso Tribute Duo Face Tourbillon. This is a 2-face timepiece with a flying tourbillon on one side and a second time zone on the other. It's pure craftsmanship, no filler, pure craftsmanship. It's like having 2 watches in one, except both sides are flex-worthy. At number 1, the king of cool himself, Pusha T, came through wearing the ultimate power play, the Rolex Daytona Rainbow. This is the grail of grails, a bezel set with sapphires in a full gradient spectrum, diamond hour markers, and gold pushers. Rolex doesn't make these anymore. The secondary market, $500,000 plus. This isn't even a watch anymore, it's a trophy, and Pusha just wore it like it was no big deal. Well, there you have it. 5 watches that stole the show at the 2025 Met Gala. Which one was your favorite? Which one are you saving up for? Hit the comments and let us know. And remember, around here, we don't just wear jewelry, we wear power. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you never miss another flex from the top floor of the jewelry game. This is Milestones, where every piece tells a story worth bragging about.